Hey guys, how to make your car last forever. Well, not forever, but almost. Now, we're going to include some things you probably heard of, but I guarantee you I'll add some more that you haven't. Now, we'll start off with what you have, maintenance. Well, please, guys, perform your maintenance. I mean, really, most of this stuff you can do inexpensively, and not to mention the oil. Keep an eye on your oil level. I know we have dummy lights and warning lights, but you cannot depend on them. Most of the time when they do come on, it's too late, or this oil life stuff where the computer tells you when to change your oil and all that. No, I definitely wouldn't trust that. I've seen too many times, too many cases where cars would go 60,000 miles without changing the oil. Yeah, so you can imagine how much life was left in that vehicle. Now, to touch on some other subjects, like a pre-oiler. Yeah, that's right. You know, some vehicles or some big trucks or people add on pre-oilers. We all know that most wear on an engine occurs at startup, about 75% or maybe more. However, another thing you can do is make the pre-oiler yourself, or just buy one already made for you. Now all this is a way that it'll pump oil pressure up in your vehicle before you even start it. This way everything's already lubricated and protected before you start the vehicle. And always be easy on your baby. That's right. Take it easy, baby your car, if at all possible. If not, that's okay. Just do your maintenance and everything. But if you can avoid any major hills or mountains, things of that nature, that can go a long ways, guys. And do you have to allow the vehicle to warm up 15 minutes during the winter? No, you don't. Just let it start up, run for about 2 minutes. When you pull out nice and easy for about the first minute or two. Get everything time to get lubricated, depending on whether you have a manual or automatic transmission. This way you're protected, your suspension, all this is time to kind of break in a little bit. It's much easier on it than shocking it, especially with that cold temperature. It can make parts almost brittle. It's unbelievable. Make sure you don't forget to clean the intake. That's right. Spray inside the intake, find a good intake valve cleaner. There are plenty of them. You're not just cleaning your intake, guys. You're cleaning all around your intake system. Now this is really important, and there are many that are safe for catalytic converters. You don't really even have to worry about that. A fuel injector cleaner could help as well. Now the intake valve cleaner, you're going to have carbon deposits. Your vehicle is going to use a little bit of oil over time. I mean, let's just face it, that's just nature of the beast. Now if I were you, CRC is a great one. Liqui moly makes a great one. Some other ones you can look for yourself. I don't care what brand you use, really. The tires is definitely what you should focus on, because you want to make sure that you rotate your tires, check the air. Remember, the pressure changes during the seasons. It goes up and down depending hot or cold when it changes over from hot to cold, cold to hot. This is why you need to check your tires. Make sure you're using the proper amount of pressure. It's located on the inside of your door jamb. Now guys, if you change tires since you've owned the vehicle, you want to make sure to follow the vehicle and the tire manufacturer's specifications. This is one problem I see a lot, is people will change the tires on the car, or they'll buy a car with different tires that it didn't even come with. So then they're using the wrong pressure, and you do not want to get in an accident, because that's the first way to destroy your vehicle. So that's kind of the main purpose here, or damage your vehicle or someone else's, placing your life in danger. So guys, what other good tips can you give to help us out here? Drop a few in the comments below, letting us know what we didn't mention that's a really good important tip in maintaining your vehicle. Now if the appearance of your vehicle is top priority, obviously You want to keep it cleaned well, stored in the garage if at all possible. Keep all the leaves off of it and everything because they become acidic on the paint, damaging the clear coat and everything, and leaving your car paint job unprotected. As always, guys, I want to thank you for watching Nace Interactive Auto.